Welcome to the Explainer.
Ready to go from AI beginner to Claude Pro in just 7 days? Let's go. Imagine a personal assistant that writes, codes, and analyzes data perfectly. Let's actually make that yours.
Built by Anthropic, Claude is basically your ultimate all-in-one assistant. So let's jump right into phase 1.
For day 1, just get comfortable. Talk to Claude completely naturally. Zero complex jargon required here.
Grab a free account, poke around the interface, and test things out by summarizing a quick article.
Day 2 is massive. Why? Because Claude only becomes a powerhouse when your prompts do. Never just say, write about AI, get highly specific. Give it a target audience and a fun tone.
Master this golden formula: role, task, format, and tone. Practice it 20 times today and watch the magic.
Moving on to phase 2, days 3 and 4 are all about massive productivity and real application.
Day 3 is content day. Draft YouTube scripts or social posts instantly, saving literal hours of tedious brainstorming.
On day 4, Claude becomes your executive assistant, managing schedules, summarizing giant PDFs, and organizing your meeting notes.
This is that true aha moment where you realize Claude's saving you 5 to 10 hours every week.
Welcome to phase 3, mastery. Day 5 pushes completely beyond basic chatting, straight into advanced, professional workflows.
Optimize your resume, interpret complex data, or even generate website code. Claude is officially a serious power tool.
For day 6, remember this vital philosophy. Real experts never rely on just one single AI tool. Combine Claude's text power with Canva graphics or Excel data to build an absolutely unstoppable daily workflow. Day 7 is your final test. Go build one complete, real-world project from start to finish using Claude. To accelerate your mastery even faster, keep these 5 secret bonus tips from the source material in mind. Save your absolute best prompts, ask smart follow-ups, learn from responses, and seriously commit to daily practice. Because always remember the golden rule of prompting. AI rewards absolute clarity above everything else.
The future belongs to those leveraging AI. So will you work with it or fear it?